Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be in the kitchen here doing 4 quick and simple easy recipes for smoothies. I got a recommendation from a few of my viewers, and so I just figured I'd just come on here and then show you some ideas. And so right now we're just going to do kind of like a simple tropical smoothie. And so what I've added into the blender already is some mango, some greens, some blueberries, and some coconut water. And so there, I'll put all the ingredients in the description below, so that way you get all the measurements. And this is for like 1 serving. And so yeah, so I just added all that in, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and blend. So you can blend it to as liquidy or as solid that you like smoothies, and so we're just going to pour it in like so. And here is number 1. This is the Tropical Breeze, so it has mango, a bunch of mixed greens, blueberries, and coconut water. And so the next one here is like a mango tango kind of smoothie, and it has a half a cup of mango, a half a cup of apples, a half a cup of cucumber, 1 cup of mixed greens, and coconut water, about I think 4 teaspoons. And so yeah, we're gonna go ahead and blend that. Perfect. And then so after, you can just pour it right into your cup or a mason jar if you're storing it for later, or if you're on the go. And this is the mango tango smoothie. It's delicious. Let's taste it out first. This one is good, really good. So the third one here is like an immunity booster one, so it's high in vitamin C and everything. And so this one has 1.5 cups of grapefruit, 1.5 cups of oranges, 2 tablespoons of lemon. It has 1 cup of yogurt, 1 whole banana, 1 cup of ice, and I added also some pineapples. So I just added those already here. So the only thing I just have to add now is the pineapple, about half a cup. All right, and then we are just gonna blend. This one here is going to be my favorite. Okay. It smells really good. I'll just pour that into the cup, and then we will have a taste. Ooh, you can taste the turmeric and the banana. Ooh, and the grapefruit and the orange. You can taste it all in one time. It's really good. This one I think is definitely gonna be my favorite. So the fourth and last smoothie here is kind of like a blueberry muffin type of smoothie, and it has 1 whole banana in it, 1 cup of blueberries, a half a cup of almond milk, and then 3 tablespoons of yogurt. You could do plain yogurt, Greek yogurt, any type of yogurt. And so what I did is just like a plain Activia organic yogurt, I think they are. And so yeah, and then we're just gonna blend. Okay, so we have the fourth and last one here, and so we are gonna go ahead and pour. And let's taste. This one, so good. You can taste the yogurt, you can taste the blueberry and the banana. So good. And so here we have all of the smoothies. So again, we have the blueberry muffin one that had banana, blueberries, almond milk, and a little bit of yogurt. This one's high impact in vitamins and iron and magnesium and potassium, especially with the banana. Then we have this one here, that's the immunity booster one that had the grapefruit, the orange, the lemon, and the yogurt, banana, and pineapple. This one was my favorite. And I had this one here, which was, I believe, the mango tango that had all the different cucumbers and the mixed greens and the apple and I think the coconut water in this one. And then we had this one here, which was the tropical breeze that had the blueberries, the mango, the mixed greens, and the coconut water. All of these are jam-packed with so much vitamins, from vitamin A to B6 to having your calcium, your magnesium, your potassium, even your iron with the mixed greens, your fiber, your protein. You jam it all into one thing. And so I hope this video again encourages you to start doing some smoothies in the kitchen. So even if you don't have a juicer, you can still begin to eat healthy in so many different ways. And so I hope this one again encourages you. And so yeah, until next time, see ya. All right, this one is all set.